Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Vscode and going straight to Settings, press Ctrl+, or use the command palette. Once done, confirm a monospace font is installed on your system and note its exact name because spelling matters. Make sure you choose whether this change applies to user or workspace settings. User affects all projects, workspace only the current folder. These are the first actionable steps. Do them now so the editor reflects your preferences consistently across files. Next, open Settings. JSON by clicking the braces icon or running Preferences. Open Settings JSON. This gives you precise control in the File Add or Edit editor. Font family. Your font name, fallback using the exact font name and include a fallback like monospace. Then adjust editor. Font size for readable text and toggle editor. Font ligatures, true if your font supports ligatures. Make these changes deliberately because JSON ignores typos. To finish, reload Vscode or run developer. Reload window so the editor picks up the new font settings. If you don't see the change, make sure the font name matches the system installation exactly and that the font is enabled on your OS. Also verify your fallback list. If issues persist, open Help right arrow toggle developer tools and look for font loading errors in the console. One key troubleshooting tip. Incorrect spelling in font family is the most common cause. Fix that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.